what is up you guys? It's your girl Maeia. We're back again with another YouTube video, and for today's video, as you guys can see from the title down below, we'll be doing a get unready with me video, and at the same time I'm going to show you my after makeup skincare routine. And stay tuned because at the end of this video, we'll be having a giveaway. So if you guys are wondering why I'm in a full face makeup right now, I actually did a video prior to this one. So ayan, naka full face makeup tayo ngayon. And yeah, without further ado, let's hop into the video. So when removing my makeup, the very first thing I do is inuuna kong i-remove ang ating falsies. Ayan, so after ko siyang i-remove is ilalagay ko siya sa lalagyan niya ulit. Ayan, and then isi-separate ko siya dun sa mga hindi ko pa nagamit na lashes para linis natin siya bago natin siya gamitin ulit. So, pag nililinis ko yung mga lashes ko, ang ginagamit ko lang is yung usual na makeup remover ko. So, after removing my falsies, gumagamit ako ng face wipes or face towels. So, ginagamit natin to para tanggalin yung pinakaunang layer ng makeup sa ating face. Ayan, so kukuha lang ako ng isa. Ayan, this is actually the invigorating wet wipes from Watson's. So, eto siya. And then, tatanggalin lang natin yung mga excess na mga makeup sa ating mukha. Ayan. So, on a daily basis, hindi naman ako nagfa-foundation. But, kapag ka nag-foundation naman ako or kapag nagme-makeup ako, lalo na kapag ka may kailangan akong i-shoot na video or may kailangan akong i-picture na product, yung mga PR packages. So, ayan, nagpa-foundation tayo. Gamit ko lang tong wipes para tanggalin yung mga foundation sa ating face. Ayan, and itong eyeliner. Isa sa pinakamahirap tanggalin is ito talagang yung parang lash glue. Ang hirap niya tanggalin at ang ano niya sa mata. Actually, pwede ka namang maghilamos after mong mag-makeup and then gumamit ka lang ng mga facial cleansers like itong Jumiso facial cleanser. Pero there are days kasi na parang nakakatamad ng manghilamos. So, you just, have to depend on wipes. So, after using the wipes, as you guys can see, natanggal yung iba sa mga makeup dito sa ating face. So, ang next na gagamitin ko is itong Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. Ayan. So, most of the time, ang ginagamit ko is yung pink. So, ngayon lang ako nag-try nitong blue. Ang maganda kasi sa mga micellar water that are like this is that it is 3-in-1. Makeup remover, cleanser, and at the same time, moisturizer na din siya. So, let's use this one. Ayan, magkukuha lang ako ng cotton. Wala kasi akong cotton pads ngayon, so let's just use the regular cotton that we have here at home. So, ayan. Oops. And then, maglalagay lang ako ng amount. Hindi naman masyadong binabasa yung cotton. Ayan, just the right amount lang. So, after putting on some micellar cleansing water sa ating cotton, eto na yung next step ng aking skincare every after makeup. This way kasi, yung mga excess makeup na hindi natanggal nung ating wipes is siya na yung magtatanggal. Ayan. And good thing pala with this product is that hindi mo siya kailangang like i-rub ng i-rub sa face mo. Just a gentle rub will do. Ayan, natatanggal na naman yung mga makeups na natira sa ating face na hindi nakuha ng wipes. So, ayan. Nakikita nyo na yung mga dark spots ko. Well, anyways, wala akong pake sa dark spots ko. Char. I mean, everyone has imperfections, so why bother, diba? Why bother? Nagawa ko lang to, and then tanggalin natin yung mga excess makeup na hindi natanggal kanina. So, ayan, tapos na nating tanggalin yung ating lip product kanina sa ating lips, and since lip tint lang yung ginamit ko, so madali lang siyang natanggal. And then, what I usually do is naglalagay ako nitong Maybelline Baby Lips. Ayan. This is actually a lip balm. And actually, nilalagay ko to before and after kung maglagay ng lip product. So, ilagay na natin siya because it actually is enriched with vitamin E to make your lips moisturize and para hindi siya maging patchy and hindi mag-chop ang ating lips. Ayan. Para iwas dry lips na din. Ayan. So, we're done with our lips. Next na ginagawa ko is nag-a-add ako nitong aloe vera soothing gel. Ayan. So, wala kasi akong primer ngayon. So, before ako mag-makeup, ito lang yung nilalagay kong moisturizer sa face ko to prep my skin. And then, every after ko din mag-remove ng makeup is naglalagay pa din ako nitong soothing gel para ma-relax ang ating face. And at the same time, as a moisturizer na din. So, I just put on a right amount. Hindi naman masyadong madami. Just the right amount of product to cover your whole face. Ayan, and then i-distribute mo lang yan sa whole face mo and then you massage it just the normal massaging to keep your face, to make your face more relaxed after, you know, the amount of product na pinaglalagay mo dyan when you did your makeup. So, I just do it like this. Ayan, massage lang natin siya. So, after using the aloe vera soothing gel from Lux Organics, ang next na ina-apply ko is itong favorite ko na Jumiso All Day Brightening and Balancing Serum. Ito talaga yung pang-wrap up ko ng skincare routine ko every now and then, lalo na kapag ka nagme-makeup. So, just eto. So, maglalagay lang tayo ng drop sa ating face. Ayan. This way kasi is that it actually creates a barrier in your face to protect you from external irritants such as dirt, dust, pollution, ganon. So, extra care na din siya para sa ating skin. So, this one, no need to massage it. After spreading the product evenly sa face mo, you just do some dab motion and then you just let it sit. Ayan. No need na i-rinse to because this is actually a serum and serums are not made to be rinsed. It is made to sit in your skin. So, ayan. So, nag-apply lang ako ng konti nitong Blur Matte from Dear Self Beauty in the shade Renee. Kasi ang awkward magsalita na super pale nung lips ko. So, ayan. And then, inantay ko na din yung ating hair. So, ito na yung ating bare face. So, yan. We're done with our skincare and yun lang yung mga ginagawa ko for my face. So, yun lang usually yung ginagawa ko for my after makeup skincare routine. So, in doing so, hindi naman ako nagkaka-pimple breakout. Since I have been using the Jumiso All Day Vitamin Skincare line, talagang nawala yung oiliness ng skin ko. So, if you want to watch that video, I will be linking them down below. So, ayan. Nandito lang sa taas or dito. Ayan, papakita natin sa iyo. Actually, dalawang video yon. Yung isang video is yung All Day Vitamin Wash Off Mask and yung isang video naman is a mixture ng facial cleanser which is eto, wait. Which is eto and itong serum. Ayan. So, if gusto nyo makita yung full review ko ng mga products na to, just go and visit my channel. And we're now down to your favorite part, which is ang reason kung ba't nyo kinlik ang video na ito, ang ating pa-giveaway. So just recently, we turned 1.7k subscribers here on YouTube, and this is my way of saying thank you to everyone who keeps on supporting me and my YouTube channel. And yeah, I know this is nothing much. Hindi naman to masyadong malaki itong pag-giveaway natin. But I still wanted to do this one because gusto ko din kayong pasayahin in my small way. So ano nga bang matatanggap ng ating one lucky giveaway winner? So ang first na matatanggap ng ating giveaway winner is itong Careline Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Berry Red. So this one is actually infused with vitamin E. So ayan, isa to sa matatanggap ng ating lucky winner. Next naman na matatanggap ng ating lucky winner is itong iconic eyeshadow from Ashley. Ayan. Ito siya. 9 colors siya and actually meron siyang matte and meron din siyang mga shimmer shades. So ayan, perfect for everyday makeup look. Next naman na matatanggap ng ating giveaway winner is itong Gleam Cream in the shade Iris from Dear Self Beauty. So this is actually their baked highlighter. So, aside from using this one as a highlighter, pwede mo din itong gamitin as a bronzer. And at the same time, pwede mo din siyang gamitin as an eyeshadow. So, yeah, like I said, isa to sa matatanggap ng ating lucky winner. Ang next naman na product na matatanggap ng ating lucky winner is itong Dear Self Beauty Clay Blush in the shade Audrey. Ayan, so naka-sealed pa yan. So, this one is actually multi-use. Pwede mo siyang gamitin for your lips, for your cheeks, and for your lids. So, ang next product naman matatanggap ng ating giveaway winner is itong watermelon mask. So, meron tayo ditong tatlong watermelon mask. Ayan, in case you wanted to pamper yourself or you can also share this one to your family members or your loved ones. Next is itong Aqua Pure Gel Toner from iWhite Korea. So, ito matatanggap mo din to if in case you wanted to hydrate and replenish your skin. So, aside dito, makakatanggap ka din, ang ating lucky winner ay makakatanggap din ng Garnier Light Complete White Speed Whitening Serum Cream. So, ito yung favorite na makeup base ko. Ang maganda kasi dito is that it actually has SPF 36, which is nice, especially kapag kalalabas ka ng bahay. So, yeah, ito yung favorite ko. And powder finish siya, which makes it very nice. And next is itong peel-off mask from Megan. If in case you wanted to get rid of your blackheads, so you can actually use this peel-off mask sachet from Megan Beauty. And of course, hygiene is first. So, we actually have here the Invigorating Weight Wipe Sakura Scented, ayan, from Watsons. 3-pack siya, ayan, 1, 2, 3, and per pack is you get 10 pieces. So, 30 pieces siya all in all. And I actually have mine which is this one, etong blue, etong ocean scented. So, ito yung ginagamit ko sa pag-remove ng makeup. So, if in case you also wanted to remove your makeup, you can also add this one to your skincare routine. And of course, ang pinakakailangan natin ngayon for hygiene is alcohol. Ayan, so, in-add ko lang to. Hindi naman talaga to kasali sa giveaway, but in-add ko lang siya, di ba, para meron kang handy-dandy na alcohol that kills 99.99% of germs. So, ayan. To keep you safe all the way. So, ayan, makinig na mabuti para ma-follow nyo na maayos ang mga mechanics ng ating giveaway. So, unang-una sa ating mechanics is that you must be subscribed to this YouTube channel with post notification bell on. Second is you have to show some love by liking this video. So, ayan, please give it a thumbs up. So, for the third mechanic is, pumunta ka sa channel ko and then hanapin mo yung favorite video mo from my channel. Click mo at mag-comment ka kung bakit mo siya favorite, kung bakit yun yung favorite video mo. You have to explain why is that your favorite video. And then, at the end of your comment, maglagay ka ng hashtag YGM2K giveaway. Fourth mechanic is you have to follow my Instagram account. So, ayan, nasa description box lang yan. And last but not the least is, sa mismong video na ito, mag-comment ka why you deserve to win this giveaway or why you want to win this giveaway. And after sa comment mo is ilagay mo na din yung iyong Instagram handle and the city you're from. So that's it. Sobrang dali lang. And if you want to join this giveaway, ayan, just follow the mechanics and I will be checking everything. Ayan, so nag-check po ako dahil ang dami ko pong time para mag-check. Anyways, we'll just be having one lucky winner. And then the winner will be announced in a YouTube video once we reach 2K subscribers. Gusto ko kasi na ang manalo nitong ating giveaway is really someone na talagang sumusuporta sa akin and those that are really watching my videos. So, ayan. You can earn your bonus points once you attend our premiere. So, magkakaroon tayo ng mga uploaded videos na ipipremiere natin. And kapag ka-present ka doon, that is already one bonus point. So, bonus points pala if you're going to share this video. Anyways, if gusto mo talaga ng bonus points, you just have to engage with me sa aking mga future Facebook and Instagram posts and stories. And at the same time, dapat present ka din sa mga future uploads natin on our road to 2K subscribers. If you can also invite your friends to join, then let them join para mas marami and mas mabilis nating ma-reach ang 2K subscribers and mas maaga nating ma-announce ang ating one lucky winner ng mga giveaway products na ipapamigay natin. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get the latest updates from my latest videos. That is all. See you in my next video. Bye!